Well, I absolutely adore this Coalport porcelain china. It is in fact a teacup and saucer, but made in the sort of 1800s, 1900s turn of that sort of century coffee cup style. But it's the curvature and the moulding on this that makes it so delightful. These you can find in antique pieces. They tend to be on a smaller scale than this. And this, as you can see, is quite a modern piece of Coalport, probably mid-20th century. That Coalport crown mark with the bone china made in England, the Indian tree, dates this to sort of 1950s, 60s and 70s. Beautifully decorated, as you can see, octagonal sectional wall mouldings with that lovely Greek key design all around the outer element of the inner rim, not on the outside. And then you've got this moulding detail on the handle where it forms very slender, delicate, extended loop handle with that detailing, a little bit of ribbing and some almost like an animal's paw, the way it's attached on there. Really beautiful things, really nicely decorated, transfer printed in fine English bone china. Really nice condition as well. Very, very bright. Glaze on these is immaculate. And that just sits on this beautifully designed saucer. Let's get it in its display position. There you go. Classic elements of the Indian tree. Quite a coarse blockwork design used by Coalport on these later 20th century pieces. But nonetheless, this really exaggerated scalloping around the rim with that rolling Greek key design. Absolutely gorgeous. This one needs a good wash. It's got a little bit of grub on it, but the glaze I want to bring to your attention is absolutely mint again, and matching date-wise the Indian tree. First introduced by Coalport in 1801, so I mean that's how long they've been producing these things. These obviously, as we've just run over, don't date to that. Lovely sets, good sized teacups. Do pay attention to the measurements on these. We'll put those on the website listing. And don't confuse them, although they look on a flat graphic identical to the early 19th century pieces. They were scaled down on this and were more intended for coffee consumption in those days. These were a good sized teacup and work very well as either. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the website listing where these are going on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website here in the UK later on today. Thanks for watching.